Quotas are a bit controversial, but I think they're really necessary. A lot of the events that I speak to, they do work to quotas, whether or not they're public or not. Generally, they're trying to get between 40 and 50% female representation, which I think is great. And if you don't have that number to work towards, it can be really easy to just put that representation to the back of your mind. So I do think quotas are probably a great way of pushing us forwards. Eventually, I hope we won't need them, but for now, I think they are necessary.
I think there's so much that we can do to drive change in the industry for gender equality, for inclusion for all. And I think a lot of people talk about whether we should have quotas when we are looking to hire, promote, pay rise, whether we should have targets, whether we should have male allies. And actually, I don't think there is one silver bullet, and I've always been quite open about that. I think the number one thing that we should know is the value of inclusion for us all and have everybody included in inclusion. And I love the saying, inclusion is about including everybody. Once we have that and everyone understands the why, that it's not a threat, that it's a benefit for us all, I think then we can really have confident male allies. We can have quotas that will work and targets that everyone are behind because they understand the value of them and the benefits that they will have as an individual. Once we start getting those foundations right, there's so much further we can go.
I think we need more grassroots level change, really at entry level. Men are naturally more confident and women are naturally questioning themselves more. So really more empowerment at an early stage. So really looking at schools and how can you kind of nurture that early, not just for female, but also for different backgrounds, and really empower people to go the extra mile.